Tia, are you gonna dress up like a guy?
Yeah, because his daddy, her daddy dressed up as a girl. Now it's her turn.
You're gonna be so handsome.
Okay.
Hi, handsome.
Okay, that's a good turn.
Tia.
I like that one.
Tia, hello.
Call it.
You look so cute. Come here. Come here now. Oh, she fell out of the suit.
Oh, yeah, that's my girl. That's my girl. Get out. That's my girl.
Oh, no, Tia. I wanted to take a picture.
I know, and she was great. Just play a game. I'm playing a game. See you later.
Tia.
You know you could
Beautiful.
video if you do it on a computer. You can have it
You're so cute.
pictures like that.